Hey everybody, what's up? I'm getting ready to go to work and my dog is trying to dig a hole in my bed. Not very successfully, but she's trying anyways. So, anyhow, I wanted to talk today about ringtones. I don't know if anybody else has noticed, but there are some really freaking weird ringtones out. I mean, like, listen, okay, so I was playing with them the other day, and then my pocket accidentally set some off while I was doing cashiering at work, and it was really awkward because I had a customer there in person that I was trying to talk to. This is for my part-time job, and so I was like trying to play it off casually, and they're just staring at me like, what a freak. And well, it had stuff like this going off. Hold on.
Hello and welcome to the mental health hotline. If you are obsessive compulsive, press 1 repeatedly. If you are codependent, ask someone to press 2 for you. If you have multiple personalities, press 3, 4, 5, and 6. If you are paranoid, we know what you are and what you want. Stay on the line and we'll trace your call. If you're delusional, press 7 and your call will be transferred to the mothership. If you are schizophrenic, listen carefully and a small voice will tell you which number to press.
Okay, now can you imagine trying to act casual about something like going off while you're trying to take a customer's order? And you're just like, stop chewing on that, give me. And you're just like, so anyways, what was that you wanted? It doesn't go very well. Let's see, what else is there on here? There are like a ton of ringtones that I recently downloaded that you're just like, why the fuck would anybody even have this as a ringtone? Why would you put this as your ringtone? Like cats fighting and shit? Why are you gonna have a ringtone being like, meow? What the fuck? So here, listen to all these. White girl dance. What is it, chipmunks singing the Eminem and Rihanna song? What is this? What is this? Can somebody tell me? Like, listen. What the fuck was that? Or this. Why would this be your ringtone? Or that. Why would a squeaky door be a ringtone? This could be a ringtone.
An idiot is calling. I love you, baby. Your sister's on the phone. Your sister's calling you. Your sister's on the phone, waiting patiently so she can tell you something new. Your sister's on the phone. Your sister's calling you. Your sister's on the phone, waiting
What is he DJing? The fuck? What the fuck? Listen. Make it funny, all day. That didn't happen. Okay, so that's just some of them. There's more. Hold on. Get ready for this.
Sorry you sleeping. I'm a monster. It's what I do. Don't behave.
What do I still have it? Ready? Ready? Hey everybody!
Good morning, sir. It is time to wake up. The weather conditions outside are just the way you like it. Your clock is waiting. Have a nice day.
Don't you wish that was true?
It's me, honey.
The fuck is this? Why? Why would you ever make this a ringtone? This was not bad. That's no word. It's kind of pointless. Yeah. I'm gonna make that for when my grandparents call. Yeah. Dude, I'm totally gonna do that though. Shouldn't even laugh. It's so true.
Congratulations. You are still alive. Most people are so ungrateful to be alive. Not anymore.
It sounds like some of my crazy exes. It's really mature. My dog just opened my text messages with their nose. Dance with me, lady. You're like, no, fuck you. Yeah, I'm just gonna put this one here so you guys can hear everything. Maybe not like that.
Hello?
Hi, sweetie. I love you. Can you please pick up the phone?
Hello, this is Osama bin Laden. I'm calling you now. I need to talk to you, man.
Lonely. I'm Mr. Lonely. I have nobody for my own. I'm so lonely.
Why would you make this the ringtone so people can know what a loser you are?
I
You
have
know, like if you go off in like a
nobody
Safeway or something and
for
you're like,
my
you
own.
let me know. Why didn't put on film? Who died? You? Your phone? Maybe the person next to you dropped dead and heart attack or something? In which case this is fucked up if that's person.
Wakey, wakey time!
What the fuck is this?
This is not a dream!
Bam, you're dead.
All units, this is Central BCC. Multiple SWAT units responding code 3. SWAT is needed for high-risk arrest, warrant service, and possible hostage rescue at Bronx. Suspect is wanted on multiple homicide and kidnapping charges. Suspect is a potential serial offender, likely to have a hostage victim inside.
Why would you make that pop in your ringtone? Oh, there.
Sweetheart, are you there? Honey, pick up the phone. Sweetie, come on. Pick up the phone, please. Pretty please, I really want to talk to you.
So, anyhow. So basically, I take it you pretty much got the idea. So, listening to all these ringtones, I mean, a few of them were okay. Some of those, like, raver beats and stuff, right on, I can dance to that. I don't know why I said it's my ringtone, because then I'd never want to answer a call. I'd be too busy dancing. So, I mean, nobody would probably really hear back from me unless it was just to tell him, hey, I have no idea what you called for, but could you call me again? Because that was a really fun song. But anyways, so as for the other ones, like the monster ringtones and the screaming and like the dog woof 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 and the cat meow thing, I mean like, okay, when these people come up with ringtones, what the fuck are they thinking? Like, how high are you? What drugs are you on? How much did you have to drink? Because obviously, I need to go figure this out so I can catch the fuck up to your brain level so that I can figure out and understand why that ringtone's supposed to be funny or good. Like, I don't get it. It is just the weirdest shit ever. Why? Why, people? Why? Why do you make these things that are so weird? I mean, has, like, humanity seriously dumbed down that much that that's what our brain comes up with? Because if that's what's happened, can somebody please just shoot me, like, right now. Just shoot me. Shoot me. Anywhere. I don't care where. But if you're going to do it, just try to make sure that you make a fatal shot at some point, even if it's not your first one. Because I do not want to be a part of humanity that is this sad and pathetic. Seriously, who's gonna make a ringtone? And I am so lonely, so very lonely. What do you think? Like if you're standing at Staples and then it goes off, the next person's gonna be like, I love you. We don't have to be lonely anymore. And you guys are just gonna like sing the song and I am so lonely, no more. I mean, what the fuck? Seriously, I don't get it. But anyway, so I just wanted to make a video about this because this was something I was coming across recently, and I was seriously just sitting there like, what the fuck am I listening to? I feel like my ears were just fucking raped through half of the ringtones I listen to. So I just thought I would, share that feeling with the rest of you, because that's how much I love all of you. So anyhow, feel free to leave comments, video suggestions, as I continuously remind you guys in some of the videos. And don't forget, there's a fan page on Facebook called Stalker Free if you're not already a member of that. And if you're not a member on here, well, what the hell are you waiting for, yo? Come on now, bitches. Subscribe, subscribe. You know you love the space. Alright, I'll talk to you all later. Take care.